Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this 2017 VW Golf. So from any screen, we're on nav at the moment. You've got here phone, or you've got menu there. You can do it from both ways. If I go onto phone, you'll see there find mobile phone, please find, or you've got settings here. So we click on settings. Onto settings, select mobile phone or Bluetooth. If you click Bluetooth, you've then got, see, it's still not immediately obvious. So you've got Bluetooth. If you're having any problems, just make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. If you can't pair your mobile or it's not showing up, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. But what you have to do here is come down to paired devices, click paired devices, and then you've got, that's the phone I want to delete. So we'll touch that. You see there's a bin. If I touch on the bin, do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone? Yes, delete. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile.